Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today the video is going to focus on how to back up your data. Before we did what type of backup solution would best suit your needs, and today we're going to talk about how to actually do the backup. So what I'm going to do is I have a little thumb drive, and let me see if we can take a look at that. And there we go. Yeah, so I have a thumb drive. It looks kind of like that. It's got a little USB port right there. I'm going to take my thumb drive and I'm going to plug it into the USB port of my computer. And if you'll notice on Windows 10 right here, it comes up, select to choose what happens with your drives. If you click on that, you can click on one of these things and it should remember the selection. So what I typically do is I click where it says open folder to view files. And then from now on, whenever I plug that in, it should, see, unplugging it and plugging it in. Yes, it should automatically open that. And if you'll notice, when I unplug it, it closes it and it makes that noise, doo-doo-doo. And when I plug it in, it makes this noise. Boop-a-doo-doo. And on Windows 10, that is the sound that your computer makes when a USB device is plugged in. It's the, hey, we recognize something got plugged in, and we're installing the driver for it, or at least attempting to. So now that I've clicked that, we see that this has come up. Now let's say you miss that, or you forget that, or you happen to inadvertently close that window. You don't have to unplug your USB device in order to access it, your external drive. All you have to do is remember that this PC, and I've covered in another video how to put that on your desktop, right there. And the way we do that, I'll just go over here. You go to personalize. So if I'm right clicking on my desktop, I'm clicking with my right mouse button. I'm left clicking where it says personalize. And then I'm going left clicking with my left mouse button on themes, left clicking where it says desktop icon settings, and I'm putting a check where it says computer and saying OK. That will put this on the desktop. If I open it, then you can see all my drives are right there. And that's the drive that I just installed, and there it is. And that stuff I had already copied to my drive. So if I want to copy more stuff to that, then all I really have to do, and what people are most likely going to want to copy is their personal stuff. And there's my personal stuff right there. So I open that, and then here's all my personal stuff, my documents, the stuff that's on my desktop, pictures, music, and downloads, and my favorites from Internet Explorer. And videos. That's mainly what people are going to want to copy. So let's say, do I have anything in pictures on this computer? I don't think I do really, but let's just say I did. The way you would copy that would be I would put my cursor over where it says pictures, the icon, hold down the left mouse button, and then drag that folder over to the USB drive window, and then I would let go, and it would copy it, and it would that little progress bar is where it would go. Now, let's say I put another picture in there. Let's I don't know. Let's download a picture here. Let's go there. We'll go to images, and ooh, that's a pretty cool looking picture there. So let's save that to desktop, save it, close it, and we're going to move that into pictures right there. Okay, So now let's say I added a picture, because I just did. I added a picture to pictures. Now let's say that I want to move this over, okay? So what I do is I just do the exact same thing. I put my cursor over pictures, the icon. I hold down my left mouse button and I drag it over to the white space. Now I don't drag it into pictures because then it thinks I want to put the pictures folder inside pictures, which I don't want to do. I want to overwrite this. So I take pictures and I move it. You see how it says copy to USB drive I right there? As soon as I move it over, if I move it here, it'll say copy to pictures, which I don't want. I want it to say copy to USB drive I, and then I just want to let go of the left mouse button. And it's going to copy that information over. Now, if we go over here, all of a sudden, it's got the same picture right there. Now, check this out. If I move this over again without changing anything, it's going to say copying 15 items from Boomstick, which is the computer, to the USB drive. The destination already has a file name, blah, 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 .jpg. What do you want to do? So it's saying, do you want to not copy that one file, the picture of the race sports car, or do you want to compare info for both files, or do you want to replace the file in the destination? Most of the time, you're going to want to replace the file in the destination. And what that's going to be doing is the copy of the sports car here is going to be replaced with the new copy of the sports car that I'm moving over. And then it just copies all the rest of the stuff, and that's how you do it. So that's basically how you back up your data. Couple things are you want to move these folders one at a time, just so you can make sure that you've got them. And so I wouldn't move them two at a time like that. Delete. I would move, yes, I would move them one at a time. Just to make sure. So I'd move desktop, boom, then pictures, then documents, then videos, then downloads, then favorites. And that's basically how you back up your data. If you see something on your drive and you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is right click on it, and then click with your right mouse button on that one icon, and then where it says delete, click with your left mouse button, and then it'll say, are you sure you want to delete this folder? And you say yes by clicking with your left mouse button. That is how you use a keychain drive. It's how you use an external hard drive. It's how you back up any data to any external source. Yep, just like that. And that is very important for any mission critical data. Well, that's how you back up your important information. I hope you appreciate the video. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are in the Germantown, Bartlett, Collierville, or Memphis area and you need computer help, please don't hesitate to call Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. Thanks for watching.